We all have certain talents, certain abilities, but let's be real for a second. Not everyone finds themselves in the top 1% or even 10%. In fact, the majority of us, we are right there in the middle. This positioning is shaped by factors like our genes, IQ, childhood experiences, education, and the time we dedicate to honing our skills. Some of these factors are beyond our control. But does this mean a lack of competitiveness? Not at all. Many of us, often termed average, can actually become irreplaceable and create immense value. How? By discovering your niche. You probably heard of the term opportunity cost. In business, it's basically the trade-offs companies make. A corporate giant isn't going to be excited about a market that's valued at a mere $2 million a year. They aim for bigger returns, often in trillions. But those smaller markets, they become the playground for small to medium enterprises or startups. These entities can produce the best work in their niches with lower costs and less time. When smaller companies excel, they become irreplaceable in their niches. Some choose not to expand, remaining unique in their communities for decades. And just like businesses, not every one of us is aiming to be the next global sensation. There's joy and fulfillment in shining in our own community, our own circle. Think about it. A top student might be the best to help a B grade student in getting top grades. But for someone looking to move from a D to a C grade, strategies from someone who's been there and made that leap might be more relatable. Every single position on this spectrum has value. Whether you're in the 30th percentile or the 10th, there will always be someone who can benefit from your knowledge and experience. The challenge? Finding where you fit and who you can help the most. To do this, one needs to look at their talents and skills through a fresh lens. Take the singer Tiny Tim, for instance. Based on mainstream standards, he would not outperform other singers. He doesn't fit the mold of traditional opera singers or even typical pop artists. His ability to sing high notes, often linked with female voices, has carved out a niche just for him. He might not be the best in the traditional sense, but he is unique. As we wrap up today's video, I will leave you with this. Life is not a race against everyone. It's about shining in your own unique domain. So ask yourself, are you ready to find your niche and let your talents shine?